So welcome everybody. In today's video, we'll look at how to get this kind of text effect. It may seem like it's very difficult to do. And by the way, I don't even have idea on how most of all these text effects are being made, but I just want to show you a very quick shortcut, a site that have dedicated their whole primary goal to make creative, make faster design and beautiful design. And this website is what I'm going to be exploring with you. Not really exploring everything that they have, but I just want to talk about the amount of text effects that they have and how you can just use this text effect in simple design, just like this one, this 3D kind of design. Okay, so that's what we'll be learning in today's video, so let's dive right into it. Okay, first thing is to actually come to the website. It's called freepik.com. okay, Freepik. So you just have to search. You can search it on Google, Freepik, or you can just put .com and it's going to take you there directly. Okay, I've already opened the page because of the way network is really slow. So here is it, and I've already searched in my words, text effects, because once the site open, you just need to type in. And all right, so it's just going to take a while, then it's going to load up most of all these pages. Okay, we have the pages looking like this. Okay, we have some pretty cool text effect here, so your ability to know which will be good for a particular design is what make you the designer. Okay, you have to make that choice. Okay, some are really just good for church flyer design, some are good for font things, some are good for product design. Like this one will be good, very nice for feminine design because of the pink kind of. Then we have the good text effects. We have all these. They are really much. Okay, so you can actually just filter some of them out. The only problem with using site like this is that many designers come here. So once I see a design that is made with a text effect from Freepik, of course I just know because I've seen them here before. But it doesn't really matter as long as you're making the work nice and you know what to use to make the work nice. So you have to just search and get the best out of it. Okay, so you can actually come here and just click for the free mode, because the truth is, you see this one with crowns, they are actually paid ones. Okay, they are meant for premium users, so you can't use those ones. So under license, you can just filter by clicking free, and it's going to take out all the premium, and you are going to see only the ones that are free. But the ones that are without this crown icon, they are actually just free. Like this one is free, this one is free. Okay, so it's free. Okay, the mission of Freepik is to make faster premium designs. Okay, so you have to take advantage of this website. So let's go to how we can actually use this. Okay, I've downloaded some before, but I'm just going to use one as an example and see how you can just from there take it on from using text effect from Freepik. So let's dive right into that part. All right, for the sake of example, this is one I have downloaded it before, so it actually will come like this, shining gold text effect. So if you have WinRAR, all you just need to do is to right click and just extract. Okay, extract to shining gold. This is going to make it to open a new folder and just extract the file inside. Okay, I've done that. Once you click on this, to actually have this on your window, you need to download what they call WinRAR. Okay, let me show you WinRAR. Okay, this is WinRAR. Okay, you just need to download it. This actually looks like is very good for extracting raw file and zip files. Okay, so download it so that you can be able to export it. Okay, so let's dive right into it. So we have a preview of what it's going to look like, then we have the design itself. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use it. So double click, this is going to open up in Photoshop. Okay, now we have this in Photoshop. Okay, how I actually use it is this. We have these two texts. I'm going to hide it, which is this one. Just put it off. Okay, you don't need it actually. So where it says place your text here, this is where you're going to place your text. Okay, on a norm, before I open the text effect, I probably must have been done with the layout, everything, how I want my text to look like, how big it should be. Then immediately I get that done, that's when I just come here and turn that text into 3D by coming here. Okay, so let's assume I don't actually have a text effect, or let me just open a program, a design I made. All right, so this is a design I was working on before. So we have this text effect. It's the same as the one that we are here with. So all you simply need to do is to come here and just type in these words. Okay, Okay, once we have the text to the appropriate size that we want in our actual design, now all we just need to copy this and put it in our text effect and bring it back. Okay, let's Ctrl C and let's go back to our text effect. Okay, now that we are here and they say place your text here, okay, you have to double click this smart object, okay, thumbnail, just double click, then it's going to open. Okay, now we are here. This way we are going to paste our text. Okay, we've already copied it, then just press Ctrl V. Okay, and now we have our text here. Okay, and let's make it black, though it doesn't matter, but some text effects you might as well just change it to the color that you find. So let's resize this. Okay, so now that we've resized this and it's fitting into our design, so we're going to turn off this very one, this default text. Just turn it off so that you can have your own text here. So now that it is here, you have to press Ctrl X in order to save it. If you don't press it, nothing will happen. Okay, even though you go back to this previous folder here, nothing is going to happen. But once we come here now, this text is here, and we press Ctrl S. Okay, it's going to take a while. Then if you come back here now, it will update. Now we have our text having this 3D. Okay, now how I actually bring it into my main document of my design, we're going to hide this background. Okay, just turn off this layer so we have a transparent background. Okay, this is a folder that is opened. Okay, this edition is a full folder on its own, so this is the only way you need to duplicate. Okay, so you just have to be careful there. So Ctrl J, and now once you have this copy, you're going to right click and come to merge. Okay, just wait for it, then we have it merged. So we have this one as a raster layer, so we're going to right click again and say convert to smart object. Okay, let's just wait for it, and now that we have it as smart object, we're going to press Ctrl C on our keyboard. So we're going to copy it and we'll come to our main design. Okay, now that we have it here, and we're going to hide this layer now, because no, before you hide it, let's paste it first so that we can make it the same size. Okay, you have to press Ctrl V. Okay, so this is going to bring in our 3D text of the $500 Scrum Master class. Okay, all right, so we have it like this now. So all we need to do is to make sure it's the same size with what we have here. Just scale it. It may not necessarily be the same size, but at least you now have it in 3D. Okay, and now that we have it, so you cannot hide this layer of your actual text. Just hide it, okay, so that it can be bygone. Okay, now we have this in 3D. So that's how you actually use the website. That's how you use the text effects, and now you can just continue with your design. If you're already done with your design, you can just save your document and you are pretty good to go. So that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you find it helpful. If you find it helpful, please hit the like button. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. And today is day 33 of me teaching what I know as a graphic designer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.